Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change time zone in your TradingView account. It's a very simple process, let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now, in order to change the time zone, you need to go to your chart settings. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom, tap on it. In this chart space, you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right, tap on it. If you scroll down, you can see the option chart settings, tap on it. In the chart settings, you need to go to the symbol section, tap on symbol. And in this page, you can see the time zone option at the bottom. You can tap on this drop down list and you'll find different time zones over here. You can scroll through and choose your preferred time zone. For now, I'll choose the time zone of New York. Once you select the time zone, you can tap on this OK button and there you go. Your time zone has been changed in your TradingView account. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.